Hi, I'm Glenn Latier, and I am back with the Key Man FullAuto Plus key machine. In our last video, I was showing you how to cut a key by code using this machine. So what we're going to imagine in this video, we're going to stay with the 2015 Ford Explorer. We are going to imagine that we went and we leashed the door of that vehicle, and we got 6 of the 8 cuts, so we're missing 2 cuts. The other 2 cuts are in the ignition. We don't want to have to pull the ignition or anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to push automotive, F for Ford, E for Explorer, and this is a 96 to 17, so we'll hit that. And what it wants to know is, what cuts do we know? So we know that the key code from the last videos was 1700X. So we're going to imagine that we leashed the door, and the cuts we were able to read were the first 6, and they were 113353. So we're going to enter those in. 1 1 3 3 5 3. So you can see that the last 2 have question marks in them. So what we're going to do is go over here to the side menu, and we are going to click the Find Bidding button. So what the machine is doing now is it's going through and it's searching all of the different options. So it has come up with 2. For some reason, it's listing each one of these codes 2 times. We have 0493X and we have 1700X. So one of them, the last 2, is 42. The other one, the last 2, is 55. We know that our code was 1700X from the last videos, but if we had leashed the door, we wouldn't know what those last 2 are. So what we would do is we would put a key blank in and we would cut this first option. So you would click it, and you can see it populates the last 2. You would push cut key, and it would cut the key. You would try that in the door. Of course it's going to work. Try it in the ignition. If it works, great, you're finished. Cut your transponder key and program it. If not, you would go to that second option. Since the 2 last cuts on the second option were deeper than the cuts on this first option, we could use the same key blank without having to waste another key blank. So we would go ahead, click on the second option, push cut key, it would cut it. Try it in the door, it works. Try it in the ignition, it works. Great. Cut your transponder key, program it up, and collect your money. In the next video, what we're going to do is we are going to cut a high security key, a Volkswagen key. So stay tuned.